Mama. My people are suffering. Mama, yeah.
We are under attack against the warriors of our land. The people of America invaded our farmlands and streams, killing our youths.
The people of America, they've just dared their key to a fight. And we must go to war. Yes. And we cannot stop until we chase all of them out.
We trust in your ability to make us proud. So go now and kill them all.
EZIKEL, we have done it before, and we must and shall do it again.
Nkume, if you lead this battle and come back victorious, we will confer on you the warlord.
Your Majesty, the title of the warlord is way above Ochiagha.
Exactly. Go out there and do what you know how to do best.
In addition to the title of the warlord, you will be made a god among men.
So go now. Kill them all.
Mama,
Kill them all.
Mama, Mama.
Nkem? My precious daughter. How are you?
I'm fine, father.
Where is your mother?
She's at the back of the hut.
What is she doing at the back of the hut?
She's cooking.
How many times have I told you that you should always join your mother whenever she's cooking?
I was with her. So when you came back, I wanted to come and meet you.
Okay. Let's go see your mother.
I was not expecting you back this soon.
Yes, Mr. Chikeze. It was not my intention to come back soon to see you.
So, why did you come back?
I came back because of the pronouncement you made some few hours ago to the elders. That was why I came back to see you.
And how do you mean?
You see, Mr. Chikeze, according to custom and tradition, it says that a man who has no male child cannot be chosen as the chief warrior of this kingdom. So I came back to remind you people that let us not take our history back. Nkume has no male child. If we go and choose him now as a chief warrior, that means we are going contrary to our custom and tradition. So that was what I remembered. I now decided to come back to see you so that we can put heads together and discuss this.
You are a man with wisdom.
Thank you, Zekikeze.
You may be right. I did not take this into cognizance. But nevertheless, I think I have to reconvene the elders and discuss about it.
Thank you, Zekikeze, for your understanding. Thank you very much. Let me go. My fellow warriors are waiting for me outside your company. Thank you, Chicken. Thank you.
What was I thinking when I made this mistake? He's right.
Hey! Alo amwefi mwalombolo. Alo malefi mwalombolo. the elders just erred.
How do you mean?
Bam! Look. The title of the warlord is given to only a man who has a male child after a critical war. Nkume has no male child. Obike, I have a male child. Not only a male child, I have a female child too. Yes.
But why would the elders make such mistake?
They want to favor. They only want to favor Nkume. But this will not work. It will not work.
Bams. So what do you intend to do? What do you intend to do?
We are going to go back to the elders to remind them that they should not turn the custom and tradition of this kingdom upside down. They should not, just because they want to favor Nkume.
You have a point. You have a point. Let us go at once and tell them. My warlord, shall we go immediately? Yes. Let's go. Yes.
The matter is before us now, so let us discuss about it.
Your Majesty, I don't see anything wrong giving the title of warlord to a man without a male child.
Same here. What matters is for him to go out there, come back victoriously. That's all.
But this is against the tradition of our people.
Wenchedo, we know what the tradition says.
Exactly.
And we can always make amend.
So that means the warlord's title will be given to Nkume if he comes back alive from the war.
Yes, it will be given to him once he comes back alive.
Nkume, congratulations. You go and come back alive. Nothing will happen to you.
You're right, Obike.
Nkume,
I will go to that battle and I will come back victorious. The gods has done it before and they will do it again.
Nkume, go and kill them all. Nkume,
who bring victory back?
Kill them all.
That is lovely.
I did right.
Perfect. I'm proud of you. But I'm tired. I have to go and rest. We'll practice some other time.
Okay.
So tell me, how did he go?
He was not in his hut.
So where did they say he went to?
My mother said he went for a meeting.
Okay. That means you will have to go back later in the evening.
Obim, that man that I know is not even ready to change his mind. So I am of the opinion we just forget about this matter.
No.
Let's leave him alone.
No. My love, we will not forget about him. We will not. He's your father. We need his blessings. My love, look at us. Just look at us. Things are not working the way it should. Maybe because he's angry with us. Yes. We just have to go back, please.
Oh, no, Nai.
Thank you.
No. Nai. Mulari was here a few moments ago.
That name Mulari I don't want to hear again in this house.
Nai. She's your daughter. You cannot throw her away. I know she made a mistake by marrying Ndoka without your consent. But please, you need to forgive them.
So as long as I am concerned, Mulari is not married yet.
Nai, their marriage is reality. And you need to face it and deal with it. Their life is in shambles. Please, you need to forgive them.
Woman, I have a lot of things to think about. I don't think I'll stand here and talk about
No. How are you?
I'm fine.
Greetings, my in-law.
Ndoka, how are you?
Very well.
Nne, what about Papa?
He just stepped out.
Is there ever a time that man will stay in his hut?
My dear, sit. Let me get something for you to eat.
Nne.
Even if we'll wait for him to return. Even if he returns in the night, we will wait.
I don't have any problem.
All right.
Sit.
All right.
Welcome, Papa.
What are you doing here?
Papa, welcome.
I repeat, what are you doing here?
We came to see you.
You both are the last people I wish to see. So, leave my hut now.
Papa, why are you this mean to us? Have you not punished us enough?
No. I have just started.
Nai, please, forgive them. Whatever they have done, please forgive. Bahara, Biko.
I will not forgive them. My daughter disappointed me. She disrespected me by running to a man against my wish.
Nine, Biko. We know we have wronged you. We have offended you. But in the name of the gods, I beg of you, forgive us. Please, Nine.
So you know you offended me. I will never forgive you.
Then so be it. Oh, Larry. Nyapumaka. Let me be so I can talk sense into this man.
My love, what are you doing?
Papa, you are no God. Iburo Chukwu Okike Abiyama. We have tried everything possible to make you forgive us. But you are being so stubborn. Okay, yes. We know we wronged you. We know we offended you. But we have been pleading for forgiveness. Kimwayara. But you have sworn never to forgive us. I, Nwolari, will never step foot into your heart again. My husband, let's go. Please, let's bring them back. We need them. Please, Biko. We need them. They're our family. They're part of us.
I don't need them.
Nine.
Nkem?
Welcome, my husband.
Thank you.
How did it go?
Everything is set, and the battle is imminent.
Another day of perplexing and worries.
Okay. I know you're worried. But don't worry, for I know that the gods will give us victory.
Sometimes I am worried. What if you go to war and do not come back? What will be of me?
Okay. That should be the least of your worries. For I know that the gods will lead me and bring me home.
I am getting used to that.
That is a fact you should embrace. It's true. Yeah? I have to go prepare.
My love, why do you have to walk away like that? Why do you have to walk away in such manner?
Obim, give me one reason why I should not walk away like that.
Obim, I was ready to dialogue with your father till I get his attention, but you spoiled everything by walking away.
Akoko. The wars that he fights has already entered his head. And the only thing that he understands better is violence.
Obim, you shouldn't speak of your father that manner. You shouldn't speak of him in that manner.
Manner is yokuno. I'm saying the truth. Let me tell you, we will not go back there again.
Why?
Because my father wants to make himself a god. But I will not descend to be one of his subjects.
Obim, try to understand the fact that we wronged him traditionally, so you have every right to act the way he's acting. Obim.
Mama, aye, mama, aye, mama, mama, aye, mama.
Nana, has it been long you came out?
Yes, Father.
Oh.
Should I go and prepare?
Not yet. Not yet.
Why, Father?
When the time comes, I will let you know.
Father, this is what you have been telling me for the past 7 years. When will that time be, Father?
Nana, wayo, keji alacho ofedi oko. Soon, you will fight alongside with me at the battlefield. Both of us will enjoy the glory together. So watch me. Watch me. Watch. Stay. You go this way. Come to the pocket. Get down. Look. Let me choke it down. Are you watching? Just watch me. Come on. Go. Go down.
Mama,
gods of my fathers, I come to you again. Lead me safely and bring me back in one piece from this battle.
Mama, Mama, Mama,
Don't kill me.
Your fellow warriors are dead. And you think you can escape my blade?
Mama, yeah, Mama, yeah, oh, Mama.
Father!
No! Lead me safely and bring me back in one piece from this battle. I promise to sacrifice the first thing that comes out of my heart upon my return. That is all I have to say. And I mean it. My life.
Mama,
What happened? You're back. What happened? Why are you shouting? I heard your shout from the back.
Let's go. Are you ready? Let's go.
My husband. It's not like you to cry when you're back from the war. What happened?
I want to be left alone.
I am your wife. If anything is bothering you, You should talk to me.
There is nothing to talk about.
And yet you're crying. What is wrong with you?
I said, I am okay.
What happened?
I said, I want to be left alone! Please! God of my fathers, I didn't know that it would be my precious daughter that would come out first. I thought that it would be one of my best goats or cow. Please, I plead for an exchange of sacrifice. I cannot sacrifice my daughter, please. Spare my child.
Why will you make such promise without my knowledge?
I didn't know it was going to be our daughter.
Oh, you thought it was going to be me?
Far from it.
Now that you have made this promise, what do you intend to do?
Sacrifice her to the gods.
No, not while I'm alive. You cannot sacrifice my child to the gods. No!
Okay. I've already promised the gods. There is no going back.
I know. You know what it took us to get that child. And I am not going to allow you sacrifice my child to the gods. No! It is not going to happen. Get that? It is not going to happen.
Mama, aye, mama, aye, mama, mama, aye, aye, mama.
If that's what you promised to the gods, then do it. After all, they gave you everything you have. It will mean nothing giving me to them, because they gave me to you.
The elders are waiting for you outside.
Dress her in white.
And why will I dress her in white?
Because she is going to be sacrificed.
You lie! I am not going to partake in that. I will not do it.
Mother, I'm ready. Dress me in white. Let him sacrifice me to the gods.
No, my child. You are not going to be sacrificed to any gods. I will not do it. I will not. Sort this out. It will not happen. Never!
Mama, aye, mama, aye, mama,
Nkume! Nkume! Nkume!
Greetings, Ichiojadele.
Greetings, Nkume. It is time for us to decorate you as the warlord of our land. So come with me.
You can go. I will join you.
Why? We need you now.
I have a pressing matter to attend to.
How long will it take?
Not long.
You know you don't need to keep the others waiting.
I know. I will join you shortly.
Okay. I will relate your message to the others, but don't keep us waiting.
It's time for training. Let's go. Have your sword. Come.
Mom, I'm ready.
Let's go.
Mama,
Gods of our land, if it is your will, let this cup pass over me. For I do not want to lose my only child. I do not want to lose my only daughter.
My precious daughter. My precious jewel. It is time. Go in there and get your father what the gods has kept for him.
I will make you proud, Father.
I know. You are a brave warrior, just like your father. Go.
What am I living for? What am I living for when the gods have decided to take the gift they gave to me at my old age? Well, the sage, we should not question the gods. At least no one will say that I am barren. No one will say or mock me that I didn't give birth to a child. Let your will be done. Let the will of the gods.
You have proven your loyalty and faithfulness in Kume. The gods will answer your prayer. Because of what you've done, we will have mercy and blessings will come unto thee. Yes.
I know you make your father proud. My brave warrior. Let's go to the altar.
Ogenene, by this time tomorrow, you'll be my second in command.
I cannot wait for today to come to an end.
There is nothing again. Onibo, where is Ibokwe?
Ibokwe, he said he will join us on the way.
Yes, let's go.
Why are you crying? And where is your husband? We have been waiting.
My daughter! Oh, God, Savannah! You're alive! You're alive! My daughter! Come and tell me everything that happened. Come, sit.
My elders, I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. You can proceed now.
Hey! No! No! I'll confess! I'll confess! Hey! I'll confess! I'll confess!
The great healer of our land. Please. I want you to take care of those warriors. Eh? They all fought for this land. Do everything you can to heal them.
I will. The people of our kingdom, they are already celebrating our return. We want to go join them, but please, take care of the wounded.
I will.
The gods will heal them.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Obike. Let's go.
My love, what troubles you? Your mind is far away from here.
Obimi, you are right. My mind is not here. I'm really troubled.
Why?
My father is yet to come back from the battlefield. And from what I heard, the war is over.
Obimi, let your heart not be troubled. Please. Nothing will happen to your father. I assure you he will return victoriously.
You say?
Believe me.
I hope so. Now you see why I don't want to get married to a warrior. I do not want to have anything to do with a warrior.
My love, you are indirectly telling me to go and start training as a warrior. Is that what you are saying to me?
No, that's not what I meant, Obim. Do you know that if anything should happen to my father, myself and my brother will be in a very big trouble? We will suffer.
My love, you will not suffer. Your family will not suffer, and nothing will happen to your father. Believe me, he will surely return alive. The gods will protect him.
You say?
Please. I have put a smile on this beautiful face for me. That is Maya Chalugo. Come here. It's okay.
Gods of our land, please, I beg you to protect him for me. Please do not allow victory to swallow him up. Do not allow people to mock me. Don't allow them to laugh at me. Please protect him at all costs and bring him back safely.
When you frown your face, you look ugly. But when you smile, you look more beautiful. Smile. Hey, that is more of it. Can't you see how beautiful you look? Eh? Don't worry. Like I said, nothing will happen to your father, okay? What happened? Why are you running?
Our warriors are back. And I hate many of them died. And many were wounded. Chimo!
So, where are you running to now?
The wounded ones were taken to the healer's hut. So I'm going there to check if my brother is there or not. Hey!
Take it easy, okay? My love, calm down. Calm down. Like I told you before, nothing will happen to your father. Relax.
Chimo! Nana!
What is it?
Hey!
Who is after you?
Hey! No one is after me. The warriors are back. Hey! Chimo!
Did you see father?
News had it that some died, while some were seriously wounded. And the wounded ones are at the healer's hut, receiving treatment.
What about father?
Amaromo.
Thank the gods you are alive. News had it that so many people died at the battlefield. I was so scared. I thought maybe something bad might have happened to you.
That's correct. But the gods, they are always with me.
Okay, come inside. I made you something to eat.
Not yet.
But why?
I have to show gratitude to the gods for bringing me back alive.
You're right.
I'll join you soon. Hold this.
I heard our warriors are back.
That is true.
And I heard the wounded ones were brought here for treatment.
Yes. They're at the back of the hut.
Can I go and see my brother? May the gods of our land save my brother. He's badly injured. Please, God. Please save my brother.
Njideka, what your brother needs now is your prayer, not your tears.
You know I will always come back to you. To show my gratitude for bringing me back from this war. I came here to say thank you. Thank you. Thank you for bringing me back to my heart. Thank you. Thank you.
My father is not there. My father is not there.
Father, I thank the gods for bringing you back from the battlefield. I'm so much happy, Father.
Thank you, my son.
You're welcome, Father.
But there's something missing.
What is
something is missing.
What?
Your mother. EZIKEL is missing. Let me tell you. Had even she's around, the way she will welcome me, the whole villagers will think a king has arrived. I am missing EZIKEL in my life.
I've begged you to forget about my mother's death.
How can I forget her? Eh? A woman who knows when I am hungry. A woman who knows when I am not happy. She's always there for me. It's I should forget about her.
Father, she is my mother. And I know that she is gone and gone forever. So Father, please, put my mother's death behind you. Okay, Father. Is it not time for you to remarry? If you remarry now, Father, you forget about my mother's death. Remarry, Father.
I will. I will remarry, but not now.
Come. What is it?
I wish we are celebrating your return, just like other families.
What do you mean?
I wish we are celebrating this with our sons and daughters.
Okay. I understand what you say, but none of this is our fault.
The gods have to hear us. I am tired of this childlessness. It is killing me inside.
Take it easy, my dear wife. It's okay. For I know that the gods will smile on us soon.
I wish I can. But not when I am now an object of mockery in this kingdom. My fellow women have made me an object of mockery.
Are you saying that people are laughing at you because of your childlessness?
Yes. Yes.
Who? Tell me, who laughed at you?
Don't worry. This is a matter involving women. I wouldn't want to bring you into it.
Boy, please, eat. Let's eat. Okay? Stop crying. The gods will smile on us soon. I know of that. Okay? What happened? Who beat you? How? Who beat you, Roland? I said, who beat you?
My father is dead! Our father is dead!
Who told you that? Who?
The healer! The healer said that anyone not seen in the hut wounded on the road is dead! And I did not see Mama here!
The lion is here. Your father is not dead.
My father?
Yes.
The cock?
Nothing happened to me. Yes. I'm a lion. But I'm not gone. I am not dead. Your father is a strong man. I cannot die. I cannot die.
Nana, get one to your former. I do not want you to join Papa in the warriors' folds. Achoromia.
Why?
Because they kill people.
See, Molari, I must be a warrior. I am a strong son of my father. My father is a brave warrior. So I, Nana, must take over my father.
Nana? So you want to join Papa in killing people? Eh?
Molari. The warriors don't kill. You see, warriors are protectors of the land. They are soldiers of the land. Look, the duty of the warriors is to protect the land. Do you want us to fold our hands and watch people from Amunike, Amankwa, Amoegu to come and take over our land? Tell me. The warriors are not killers. Let me ask you. Have you ever heard anyone saying that I, your father Obike, has ever killed an innocent person in this kingdom? No. The duty of the warriors is to protect this land from the enemies. You know? So we are not killers. Your brother Nana, he's a strong man. And he's going to take over from me. You know? So pray. Ask the gods to bless your brother. Give him the strength and the courage to be a warrior.
Am I what you're doing? Go and prepare food for me and my father. Go and prepare food.
You realize that the elders of this kingdom does not recognize our efforts.
How do you mean?
Okay, look. All of us went for war. We all stake our lives to protect this kingdom. But at the end, it is only one person that was recognized and honored.
You are making sense. I was actually thinking that I was the only one who even realized that.
I call this injustice.
Injustice it is.
And we must not allow it to stand.
What are we going to do? What are we going to do?
Look, we are going to introduce ourselves to the people of this kingdom. Because I can see that this thing is turning into family affairs. Remember, Nzechi and Nkume and what's the name of the other elder are from the same clan.
Oh, yes, that's true.
That is it.
Yes. What the truth now is, how are we going to carry out this plan? How do we go about it?
Want to put together.
Yes.
You see, you know something? We are going to do something. Come on.
Welcome.
Thank you.
And what is that in your hands?
I've just been confirmed the Ocha of Isiego Kingdom.
That sounds great. What an honor.
You can say that again. This is the least I expected from the elders.
No, I am not surprised because you deserve this.
I'm grateful to them.
But remember, to whom much is given, much is expected.
I know. And I've already given my loyalty and my services to the people of Isiego Kingdom. And I'm not going back on that.
I'm proud of you.
You said you've been longing to discuss something with me.
Of course.
So what is that?
Well, this is something you already know. I just want to make it fresh on your mind.
Go ahead and remind me.
I desire to take your daughter, Olari, as my bride. I just need you to tell me what I need to do to get it done.
First of all, is she aware of this?
No, not exactly.
Jedo, look, first, you are supposed to make your intention known to her. I'm not going to marry my daughter.
Of course.
Meet her, discuss with her. Whatever is the outcome of the discussion, you now fall back to me as a father.
What if she says no and rejects my proposal?
That is not the problem. The problem is, make your intention known to her first. So whatever you agree with her, then you now fall back to me.
Okay.
As the father.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
It is a joke.
I will endeavor to do just that.
Yes.
I beg to take my leave.
It's alright.
Right. Okay.
A warrior coming to ask for my daughter's hand in marriage. That has always been my dream. For my daughter to settle with a warrior.
The gods of my fathers, you have given me everything. You have given me all that I need to have a good life. You have given me heads of cattle, goats, lands, a good wife. But there is one thing that I don't have that is bothering me, which is a child. God of my fathers, do this for me, and I will always be grateful to you. I bring you this goat so that you can give me all that I want. And I know that you will do it for me.
Thanks for coming.
So, Badro, you requested to see me.
Yes. Yes.
But the Kwanama, is everything alright?
Everything is fine. Udode.
So, Badro, thanks to the gods, nothing bad happened.
Not at all.
Yeah, so, what is it?
Obim, I have decided to take what we share to another level.
How do you mean?
I want to come see your father to make my intentions of marrying you known to him.
Hey, Obim! Obim!
Yes.
Hey, I am so happy.
Same here.
When do you want to come?
Whenever he is willing to see me, I will come.
Yes. Okay, Prince Wadro, I will tell my father about it and then get back to you.
Alright, I just can't wait. I'll be waiting to hear the good news.
I can't wait to be your wife, Obim.
Okay.
Papa, Ndoka wants to come with his people to see you and to make his intention about me known.
Tell him not to come.
Why, Papa?
Because he cannot marry you.
Papa? Papa, what is this outright rejection? What is going on? Nana.
Calm down. I'll talk to father. Calm down. I say I'll talk to father. Father, you cannot go against her wish.
Look, on this matter, it's settled. Eh? My daughter cannot marry Ndoka.
Why, father?
Look, you all know in this village that Ndoka is a weakling. I want my daughter to marry a warrior. I am a warrior. Somebody who can protect my daughter in case of any crisis. Eh?
Okay, father. That means I will tell Mwalari to stop seeing Ndoka.
Tell her to stay away from Ndoka. Yeah, she should stay away from Ndoka. There's nothing on earth that will make me agree my daughter to marry Ndoka. It's not possible. It's not possible. So if you go and talk to your sister. Talk to her.
So how did it go with Obike?
Yes, I went to him, met him, we talked, and I made my intentions known to him that I want his daughter as my bride.
What did he say? How did he react to that?
Nothing much. He only told me to go and speak with his daughter, Nwolare. According to him, I'm not going to get married to my daughter. So, I just have that. I just have it. That's what I'm going to do. Just to speak with her.
That is where the problem lies. That's where we have a problem.
That is where the problem lies. That is where we have a problem. How do you mean? I do not understand.
My friend, Nwolare is seeing a man. And that will make it difficult for her to accept you.
My good friend, her father is going to make everything easy for me. Yes. And you know that I have a very smooth and good relationship with him. I hope you have not forgotten that.
Yeah.
So, it's nothing to worry yourself about.
I pray that the gods favor you, my friend.
And I still believe you as a friend will support me.
Of course.
Good.
Of course.
Stop troubling yourself. So if I may ask, what do you suggest we do?
Eziokwu, I am confused. I do not know what to say.
Okay. I think I should come and see him. Yes, I want to come and see him and discuss with him myself.
Do you think he will listen to you?
I hope so. Yes, I hope so, because it will be a man-to-man discussion.
Okay. If you are convinced that he will listen to you, come and see him.
I will. When is he always around?
Now that there is no war to fight, he is always in his hut.
Alright, in that case, I will come tomorrow to see him.
Okay.
Don't worry. Nobody will stop what we shared. What we feel for each other, nobody will stop it. Okay? I love you. It's okay.
Say what you want
to say. Nani, I have come to discuss something very important with you.
Discuss? My ears down. Talk.
Nani, I want you to offer me a seat because what I want to discuss with you is more of family.
Ndoka.
Nani.
Whatever you want to say, Say it now because I have other things to attend to.
All right, Nani. Nani, I have come to ask your daughter's hand in marriage.
You will not marry my daughter. You cannot marry my daughter. Take your mind off my daughter. Any arrangement you are doing is not welcome. Any arrangement you are doing is not accepted.
Nani, why? Why? Am I not man enough?
Ndoka, you are not man enough. Because I want a warrior to marry my daughter. You are not a warrior.
But Nani, everybody must not be a warrior. The question here is, do I love your daughter? Yes, I love her.
This is the end of the discussion. Leave my heart. If I go inside and come out, and you are still here, I will cut off your neck. Are you still there? Hey, Kenya!
Njideka, I tried my best, but he couldn't make it. He is dead.
I do not understand, the great healer.
Like I said, nothing is permanent. Right, I am so sorry.
Oh.
Yes.
Please save my brother.
I tried my best.
No.
Njideka, try and save yourself.
Please, I'm begging you.
Please.
Please save my brother, please. Please.
Listen to me. I tried my best. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No.
Nana,
Father.
Are you done?
Almost.
You have to be fast, before the sun rises.
Okay, Father.
You know it's not good to walk in the sun.
Yes,
Okay.
Father.
Be fast. Good. Fast.
Obike, your wish is done.
What is it?
Your wish is done. Are you happy now? Oh, tell me, Obike, are you happy now?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I just confirmed for the healer that my brother Okoro is dead. From the injury he sustained from the war.
Well, it is a pity. He died fighting for his land. It's a pity.
My brother wouldn't have been dead if he did not forcefully initiate me to the warrior's fold.
No, Njideka, don't say so. I never forced him. He came to me and said, Obike, I want to be initiated into the warriors group. Which I did, because he wants to fight for his land. So don't accuse me of what
Even when I told you that he wasn't ready, that you should not do that, his blood will be upon you.
Njideka, see, let me tell you. It's an honor that Okoro died at the battlefield to save his father's land. Don't you know that?
Really?
Yes.
Very well then. You will soon be initiated in the warrior's fold.
Of course.
And you will die serving this land.
Yes. If my blood and my life will be taken at the battlefield to defend my land, Who am I? As a warrior.
You deserve it. You deserve death. And so shall he be.
He's not a brave warrior. That is why he died at the battlefield.
Nana,
Father,
this has shown me that you are really going to defend this land. That you are going to be a warrior like your father.
Yes, Father.
Eh?
Yes.
Don't worry. I will initiate you into warrior's food. Soon.
Thank you, Father. He is not a brave warrior.
Yes. But,
Obim, I think I should join the warrior's fold.
Eh?
Yes.
Eh? Isigini?
Obim, please, listen to me.
Do not even try it. Don't go there.
Obim, since that is the only condition your father will give his consent, I am willing to do that because I can't afford to lose you. I can do anything to keep the love of my life. Try to understand me.
Nduka, times without number I have always said that I can never and will never have anything to do with a warrior. And that includes you. Should you join them tomorrow?
But, my love, your father is ready to destroy everything we have shared together because of this. And I cannot trade you for anything. That is why I want to join them so that I can keep you. I am ready to sacrifice anything to keep you, my love. Because I love you so much. You are the air that I breathe. Please understand me.
Obim,
Nkem.
do not worry about that. I will handle it myself.
How do you intend to do that?
I will deal with this matter myself.
Are you sure?
Great. I can see you're enjoying yourself.
Yes. You seem so excited. Whenever you act like this, there's always good news by the side.
You're very correct.
Tell me, what is it?
I am with child.
Okay. Tell me you're joking.
I wish I was. But I am not. The healer just confirmed that I am carrying a child.
God of our Lord, thank you! So I'm going to be a father. My lineage will go to the next generation! Thanks to the gods!
Thanks to the gods.
Obim. Thank you. Thanks to the gods. The gods have smiled on me! Finally! I have everything. I have everything now! Thanks to the gods!
We are under attack against the warriors of our land. The people of America invaded our farmlands and streams, killing our youths.
The people of America, they've just dared their to a fight. And we must go to war.
Yes. And we cannot stop until we chase all of them out.
We trust in your ability to make us proud. So go now and kill them all.
EZIKEL, we have done it before, and we must and shall do it again.
Nkume, if you lead this battle and come back victorious, we will confer on you the warlord.
Your Majesty, the title of the warlord is way above Ojaga.
Exactly. Go out there and do what you know how to do best.
In addition to the title of the warlord, you will be made a god among men.
So go now. Kill them all.
Let's go.
Kill them all.
Mama, aye.
My warriors, I can see you've started practicing without me. I brought my daughter to train with us today. She is going to make a good warrior.
Indeed.
She's going to be like her father, a great warrior. Are you ready? Let's begin.
You see? He has used his hand to design his death. I do not understand. Good. I am going to follow him to the enemy's camp to help draw out the enemies. Where he will ask you people to ambush is not where you are going to be.
I do not understand.
my warlord.
Let me explain it for you to understand it. Okay? He's going to ask you people to lay an ambush for the enemies along a certain road. But you people should not be there. I understand what you are saying, my warlord. But even if we are not at the ambush point, I believe other warriors will be there.
Yay!
That means it's going to be with the amateurs. We, the strong ones, will not be there to protect him and inspire him the way we used to do in the battlefield.
Now I understand the plan. By so doing, we'll not be at the ambush points. Oh. And at that, you'll be left the amateurs alone to fight side to side with. That will lead to his death. Yes. Yes. I agree. Yes. Yes! Yes, my warlord!
Mama, aye, mama, aye, mama, mama, aye.
So tell me, how was the training today?
I enjoyed it.
You enjoyed it?
When are you going to bed?
Oh, soon. Soon. But first, we need to eat. Because I'm hungry. I know you're hungry, right? Let's go and eat.
Are you ready?
Let's go! Come on!
Nkume must be killed as we go for this battle. How do you want him to die? How do you want him to die? I don't know yet. I don't know yet. But why? Until he chooses the pattern we are going to use against our enemies. So all you need is for him to die. Yes. That's all I need. Then, consider it done. Yes. I want to ask, who among you Who among you is opposing the killing of Nkume?
No! None of us.
I am with you. Let's go.
I'm with you.
See, by the time we succeed in eliminating him, EZIKEL will become the chief warrior. And then among you, you will choose who will be the second in command and the gift receiver. Is that okay?
Yes! Yes. Nchedo, I personally cannot wait for you to be the chief warrior. Yes!
He seems to have defied all odds.
Not yet.
But that is what it is!
He may have defied all odds, but we have to wait for him here and kill him.
My warlord, we have waited for him so long here. Maybe, just maybe, we should press him down to the battlefield and end everything.
That is a good idea.
We'll make it look so real, as if he was killed in the battlefield. Yes! Yes, I agree with the both of you. Yes.
I have never thought of this. Okay, let us go.
Mama, hiya. Mama, hiya. Mama, Mama, hiya. Mama,
We have searched everywhere. He is nowhere to be found.
I have searched from this direction to the other and even the other. But no luck either.
My warlord, what are we going to do now?
Come with me.
My warlord, let us search in his house. If we find him there, we can strike him there.
You see, striking him in his heart will raise dust. You all should remember that whatever we are doing is secret. So, please follow my lead. Let's go.
Mama, hiya. Mama, hiya. Mama, Mama, hiya. Mama, Mama,
You have been like this since you came back from the battle. Is everything all right?
I need to be alone.
Well, this is exactly what you said the moment you came back from the battlefield.
This is because I need to be alone.
No, this is unlike you. Please.
I said I want to be alone!
I'm sorry. But in case you need to talk to someone, I would be inside.
Don't touch him! Call the youths. Let them take their dead bodies to the evil forest. That is where they belong. The evil shall not go unpunished. Nkume, you have made us proud. You fought, you conquered, and you came back victorious. Like I earlier said, if you lead the warriors of our land to this battle and come back victorious, we will confer on you the title of warlock.
Exactly.
History is about to be made today. By the power vested on me as the Prime Minister of this community, I hereby confer on you the title of warlock.
EZIKEL is here. I want to say thank you for such honor. I am grateful to my people.
Our warlord.
Thank you. I promise to give the best to the people of this kingdom. I will be to their service till the day I draw my last breath.
We're proud of you.
Mama.